Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Basilchic. I'm Stephanie, and in this video I will be showing you how I decluttered our linen closet. This is the linen closet in our master bedroom. It's right there. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys the whole process from beginning to end, from taking everything out and going through everything. I'll also be sharing with you guys some of my best decluttering tips and tricks for you. But don't worry, I'll also be speeding some parts up so the video won't be boring, I promise. One thing we're trying to do is get our master bedroom in order because I am 31 weeks pregnant today. I filmed this video when I first found out I was pregnant, or when I first started showing. And now I'm definitely showing, absolutely. So we're trying to get this master bedroom in order, and this linen closet was a part of that. Also, if you guys are watching this because you want that declutter motivation, maybe you get stuck in the process of decluttering and that's why you like these videos, well, I have a course that actually I put together. It's a decluttering course. I'll link it below. It's all about decluttering. So if you want to go further and deeper into the topic of decluttering, or just want more on decluttering, check out that link below. Also subscribe, because other than decluttering this thing, I also organized it. So that video will be coming soon. So without further ado, here's how I decluttered the linen closet. Now that we have everything laid out, I know this seems intimidating, but it's really not, and here's why. Because we are gonna kind of put like items with like items, and I already did, as you could probably tell, like all the beach towels are together, the sheets are together, the travel stuff is together, and then what I'm gonna do is just go through each pile and go through each item in that pile and either get rid of it or keep it. That's it, okay? That's all we're doing. So I'm going to just have one pile as donate. That's it. If I see something that needs to be trashed, I'm just gonna trash it immediately. I got the garbage can right down here. Oh yeah, okay, so a couple of things I know I want to keep, of course, is my steamer and my iron. So they're already here on my dresser, so those are set aside. So the question is, what pile do I first start with when you have all this mess? I'm going to start with this right in front of me. These are the clear plastic bins, and I'm going to speed some of this up. But you know, like which sheets and duvets and stuff come in, I kept these. We used to use almost travel bins, and then it's always that, oh, I might need them, you know, oh, I might need this for a blanket, or I might need this, they come in handy. Guys, I've not used these since I put them here in this pile, so I know for sure we're just going to get rid of it all. Dusty. Oh, this is an attachment that comes with our iron. I'm not going to use this either. Haven't used it, not going to use it. That one's gotta go. Sometimes when you're really like have a big pile like this, you don't even start by a category. You just pick something up and say, do I want this or do I not? And you get rid of it. Have I used it? Do I think I might use it? Well, if you think you might use it, get rid of it, okay? Because when you go, well, I might use this, or this would be good if, that means you haven't used it at all. And that means that you're probably not gonna use it. So why take up the extra space? If you really need it again, you can buy it. Oh my goodness, you mean I'd actually have to repurchase something? Isn't that a waste? No, because you're saving room. You're saving all this space in your closet, and chances are you're never gonna buy it. Out of like 10 things you get rid of, you might rebuy one thing. One thing, okay? Get rid of it. This one I need to ask Mike about, because sometimes he uses things that I don't think he does, and it sounds like he's using this from how much is left in here from the last time I picked it up. I was looking for this. I bought a second one because I couldn't find this. Oh, man. Notice how I'm picking up and touching everything. This I don't want. Probably shouldn't throw that. This doesn't belong in here. Oh, these are the soap dispensers for Williams-Sonoma. Oh, I'm gonna keep this because their soaps don't come with this. And when you order it, they don't come with it. You have to get it in the store. So these I need. Empty. All the travel stuff is together. It's been through, it's cleaned out. I need to relocate these and we're tossing these. What's in them is old and I hate those containers. So I actually found some better ones on Amazon that I'm gonna purchase. Okay, so I said I only want to do one pile. I kind of lied because I end up having a pile that I need to ask Mike about because I don't know if he uses those things or not. And then I do have another pile of like things I want to keep but need to relocate. And so that's what I have. And it's kind of mixed together with Mike's pile because it's not a lot of stuff. All this I'm keeping. Ask Mike about relocate. Okay, this is all keep. My mom, ever since I was little, this is what she did because, you know, she had 6 kids. She's very organized, very clean. She ran that house like a ship. Here's what she would do. She'd take a pillowcase and she would put the whole sheet set in the pillowcase so nothing got lost. So this is how she would do it. So, you know, I have seen a couple people do this on YouTube, but I'm like, listen, my mom came up with that years ago. But okay, so now that we have all the sheet sets together and the nice silk pillowcases are on our pillows, we don't need any of these. This one I definitely want to keep though because this, my grandmother made me. How special is that? But all the rest of these, I don't even have to look through because I know I don't have matches for it, so they're gone. Look guys, we're making progress. This looks great. So I'm gonna move over these things and then bring those closer so I can go through them. Another tip is never keep any packaging. It just takes up space. You don't need it. Okay, keep. Okay, so now I have my weights and I do use these, so I'm keeping them. This is what I have left. This is what I definitely want to go back into the linen closet. Let me show you the piles I have going on. This is everything I want to keep and it's all laid out on the bed. And I'll show you the next step with that in a second. This is everything we're getting rid of. Basket, all those little travel things, pillows. We have some old shams, blankets, stuff like that. And here is our trash pile. It's actually a lot smaller than what it normally is after I do a decluttering project. Mike went through the things because I didn't know if he was using them or not, and he is. So we're keeping these. It's for his shoes, and then these hold the glasses that he has currently, and all this needs to be relocated. Christmas stuff, laundry room, stuff like that. So I'm gonna put the items back that I know want to be in there, and I'm gonna put them back together. Okay, so I put everything back in the linen closet. Now here's the thing, you can totally stop here if you want. This is considered organized, right? So just because you don't have fancy bins or labels, or it may not necessarily be super pretty, doesn't mean that it isn't organized. It's decluttered, everything has a spot, and like things are with like things. However, for me, this is midway through the process. So the first part was decluttering and everything and then putting everything back in, but then now I personally want to organize it further because I like things to look pretty. I want it to be labeled. I want to get cohesive bins. So that's just what I want for the space. Stay tuned because there will be a second part and it will be a fully organized, very pretty linen closet. So I'll see you soon in that video. Bye guys.